Now we come to our Healthy Workplace Awards. The winners for this category are Absolute Beauty and Fitness Australia.
We were not in a great position as far as small business health and wellbeing goes, and so we decided to commit to the program and started with meetings with our team to see if they wanted to be part of such a program, which they did, and we implemented it from there.
We focus on physical activity, healthy eating and nutrition, and mental health in the workplace. We incorporated quite a few activities from group exercise training, personal training sessions, cooking demonstrations, dietitian advice, active transport days, healthy breakfasts, just to name a few.
Traditionally in our industry, staff work long hours with no breaks. So we reviewed staff working hours and break times and introduced those into the program. We then looked at nutrition for the team, so started making nutritional changes for the team, and then movement. Half of our core team is sedentary, so they can sit for up to 11 hours a day. So we looked at ways to get those team members more active, and then we looked at smoking cessation in the workplace.
We used a wellness survey to determine what areas that we would focus on. That wellness survey was completed by all of the staff at Fitness Australia, and then we evaluated that wellness survey and determined the 3 focus areas for our program.
We started by doing a needs analysis to find out what we needed in the workplace. We started with a survey of our team to find out what they felt was important in her workplace health and wellbeing, and then we did a separate survey for management to find out what they thought was important. We then compiled the results, which gave us an accurate assessment of where we needed to start in the workplace and what we needed to tackle.
The program ran for 12 months, and then we did an evaluation, and we've just started developing new objectives for our program for the next 12 to 24 months.
We've seen immense benefits from very small things like increased energy in the workplace to more major things like increased staff productivity and happiness, which is something that we weren't expecting to see when it comes to general happiness and positiveness of staff. We've seen a massive reduction in the amount of staff members that smoke in our workplace, which has been really rewarding because we're not losing the time that those staff would ordinarily go outside for a cigarette, and staff that don't smoke are healthier staff members.
Definitely collaborating with all of staff just to find out what they enjoy, what areas they think that they need improvement on, and then working on it from there.
Start really soon. We put it off for a long time because we just weren't sure where to start, and we were worried that it was going to be costly and that we wouldn't get a lot of benefit from it. So start sooner rather than later, and simply start with a needs analysis. Once you've found out where your business can benefit from increased health and wellbeing, then it's simply a matter of tackling one task at a time. Get your staff on board. This isn't something that management can just do. You can't just tell your staff to do this. You have to be prepared to fully involve them in the process, and that's developing the process, not just giving them something that you expect them to follow, and then lead by example. You cannot ask your staff to do something which you're not prepared to do.
Receiving this award recognises that we are on the right path to contributing to the increased health and wellbeing of Australians within the workforce and their friends and families. The Preventive Health Awards has also provided us the opportunity to meet with other finalists who have implemented successful preventive health programs in their workplace.